Hello everyone, I want to welcome y'all back to the channel. For any new subscribers, my name is Todd, and so today we're going to be making a lasagna. So let's start getting our ingredients ready. For our lasagna, we are going to need some ground beef, and if you like, you can do half ground beef, half Italian sausage, some onions, some minced garlic, some crushed tomatoes, some tomato sauce, Italian seasoning, fennel seeds, some black pepper, your lasagna noodles, some eggs, some ricotta cheese, and if you can't find ricotta, you can use cottage cheese in its place, some Parmesan cheese, and some shredded mozzarella. So now that we've got everything together, let's get cooking. What I like to do is I like to take my pasta and have them soaking in water, so that way they are flexible enough to shape for the pot or the pan that I'm going to be using. And I found that the oven ready pasta for lasagna cooks the same as non-oven ready pasta. But like I said, I like to soak mine to where it's flexible and I can shape it to the pan that I'm using. So we're going to set this to the side and let this soak for a while, and we're going to start with our sauce. Alright, so we've got a skillet that's heating up over a medium-high heat. To this we are going to add in our ground beef. We're going to add in our onion. And our minced garlic. So we are going to cook this down, which will take about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll drain our any drippings or fat, and then we'll keep moving on. Alright, so this has been going about 10 minutes. I've already removed the extra drippings. So to this we are going to add our crushed tomatoes. Our tomato sauce, our black pepper, our Italian seasoning, and our fennel seeds, which I've run through a mortar and pestle to crush them up a bit. And if you've watched enough of my videos, you know I like to kick things up with a little bit of spice. So I've added some red chili peppers. So we're going to give this a good mix. Make sure everything gets incorporated really well. Then we're going to bring this up to a boil. And then we are going to cover it and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So once this gets up to a boil, we'll be right back. Alright, so our meat filling has come up to a boil, and we're going to give this a quick stir, and we're going to cover this and turn this down to a simmer and let that go for 15 minutes. And we're going to also go ahead and get our oven preheated to 375. And so we're going to let this go for 15 minutes. And while that's going, we're going to get our other filling ready. Alright, so we've got our cottage cheese put into a mixing bowl, and we're going to add to that our eggs and our Parmesan cheese. So we're going to give this a good mix. Get it fully incorporated. There we go. So now we're going to get everything set up because our meat sauce should be just about ready. And we're going to start assembling our lasagna. Alright, so our meat sauce is done. So we're going to take a 9x13 baking dish, which I've coated with some cooking spray. And we are going to take a couple of scoops of the meat filling and put that across the bottom, and we're going to spread it out. And then we're going to take our lasagna noodles and place those in there. And I like to overlap mine. There we go. And then we're going to get some of our cottage cheese filling and spread that out. And we're going to take some of our mozzarella and we're going to sprinkle that across the bottom. And then we're going to come back with another couple of scoops of our meat sauce. More here. And then we're going to come back with another layer of our pasta. And we're going to keep doing this till we're done. Okay, so this has been going for about 35 minutes. And as you can see, everything is all bubbly and delicious looking. So we're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes before we serve up. Alright, so this has been sitting up for about 15 minutes. We're going to cut us a slice. Go around the edge to make sure nothing's stuck. Cut off. Okay. Set this to the side. Let's just see how big a mess we can make with this. Oh, come on. There we go. Ooh, not that big a mess after all. Alright, so we're going to serve this up with a little garlic bread. So that's everything. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And until next time, enjoy.